This is 7 National News, and in our top story, an Emirati team of medical volunteers have provided medical treatment to thousands of children in Asia as a part of the Zayed Giving Initiative, with the participation of senior doctors, nurses and volunteers from leading university and hospitals around the world. Dr. Shamsa Al-Ora, the executive director of the Initiative of Doctors of Poor, said that the volunteer medical teams are comprised of senior paediatricians, cardiologists and general practitioners who are working in villages across Asia to help underprivileged children through therapeutic and preventative programs, including treating children with congenital deformities and those requiring surgical intervention. The Zayed Giving Initiative comes within the framework of the campaign to cure 1 million children and elderly people around the world, and has so far reached around 10,000 children in Indonesia, India and Pakistan. In its next phase, the initiative will introduce new technology that will help with the early detection of diseases and double the number of volunteer programs to reach more people around the globe through 4 diagnostic, therapeutic, preventative and training teams. A relief aid convoy of 18 trucks carrying tens of thousands of food parcels, hygiene kits, clothes, blankets, baby formula and vitamins and even wheelchairs from the Emirates Red Crescent has arrived in the Gaza Strip in order to help those displaced by recent violence. The Secretary General of the ERC, Mohammed Atiq Al-Falahi, said the convoy, led by Humaid Al-Shamsi, the Deputy Secretary General of the ERC for International Aid, is the 6th in a series of aid convoys sent to Gaza, upon the directives of the UAE leaders to help Palestinians. The delegation also toured the UAE field hospital in the Gaza Strip, where it provides free medical treatment for patients and the injured. On Friday, the ERC distributed 1,200 relief parcels and 200 gallons of drinking water to refugees in Gaza. And over in Lebanon, the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum charity and humanitarian establishment has distributed food and healthcare aid to more than 4,500 Syrian refugee families at camps on the Lebanese-Syrian border, as a part of the 5th phase of its relief operation, targeting more than 32,000 refugees in Lebanon, as announced by the Deputy Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the establishment, Ibrahim Bou Melha. The aid includes food, baby milk formula, clothes and hygiene kits, which should be enough to support Syrian families, including 1,500 children, for 1 month. Current upgrade work on the 14-kilometre stretch of the Jumeirah Beachfront is almost complete and will be fully open to the public in October. That's according to reports. According to a local daily, all major work on Phase 2 of the Jumeirah Corniche has been completed, while Phase 1 of the project, a 2-kilometre-long stretch from the Dubai Sailing Club to Dubai Municipality's Sakim Centre, opened last month. The 100 million dirham project was launched by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, to promote a healthy lifestyle in the Emirate, boasting a jogging track and cycling track, as well as improved facilities for activities such as walking, swimming and rowing. The Corniche will also have commercial kiosks, shaded benches, rest houses, as well as public health facilities. According to a local daily, most of the facilities are ready, and the final touches of landscaping and decorating the area is currently underway. The UAE's telecommunications regulators have cancelled nearly 6.8 million GSM lines after mobile users failed to register their SIM cards before the deadline. According to a local daily, the Telecommunications Regulatory Authority said it had completed the registration of about 24.2 million GSM SIM cards over 18 months since it launched the programme, to have all working mobile phone lines registered with Etisalat and Du. The SIM registration program ended in April, which looks to enhance security in the country and also to stop fraud. The UAE has one of the world's highest GSM penetration ratios, recording over 160% at the end of June. A new automated fare collection system, Hafilat, is to be launched by Abu Dhabi's Department of Transport in order to make bus travel easier over in the capital. The DOT Abu Dhabi has announced that it plans to install up to 70 ticket vending machines at all bus stations in Abu Dhabi, Al Ain and the Western region, near air-conditioned bus shelters and in shopping malls, in order to sell and top up the cards with cash or credit cards. 5 Swift reloaders, which allow commuters to recharge their Hafilat cards, have been installed inside the Al Wada bus terminal. The DOT will install up to 300 of the machines in all bus stations in Abu Dhabi, Al Ain and the Western region. These machines only accept banknotes and do not provide change, unlike the ticket vending machines, according to reports. Once launched, cardholders can also visit ticket offices at bus stations and in some customer service centres in order to purchase and personalise cards with names and photos, as well as for renewals, paying fines or reporting a lost card. Submissions for the 11th edition of the Dubai International Film Festival are now open, and filmmakers are being invited to participate in the festival that's running from the 10th to the 17th of December this year. DIF is now accepting entries for its flagship Jumeirah competition for feature fiction, non-fiction and short films, originating from the UAE and the Arab world. Narrative features, documentaries and short films directed by a filmmaker of Arab nationality or origin are eligible for entry, and filmmakers have until September the 25th to enter their films. Since 2006, the Jumeirah competition has emerged as a definitive platform for Arab film, nurturing and rewarding filmmaking excellence in the Arab world. It's according to news agency WAM. The competition has helped to raise profiles of award recipients on the international stage, such as Palestinian filmmaker Hani Abu Hassad, who took home the prestigious Jumeirah Award for Best Feature Film for Omar last year, which then went on to receive an Oscar nomination. And finally, looking to other news now, tech giant Apple is looking to open stores here in the UAE, one over in the capital and the other here in Dubai, the latter of which is rumoured to be its largest globally. According to reports, the UAE store will be larger than its flagship over in New York that covers 23,000 square foot at the Grand Central store. Apple has so far confirmed plans to open an outlet in the Middle East region in the near future. Sources have stated that the Dubai store was originally planned to replace the current cinema complex and is likely to open in the first quarter of 2015. A statement from Apple said that they look forward to opening a physical store in the region. However, there has been no confirmation on when the store would open. They added that the UAE is an important country for Apple, and it's one of their fastest growing markets around the world.